Guys, transform my bedroom with me. So I first of all started by fixing the windows, the window blinds, and I decided to use all white. Like, I really love white a whole lot, and the painting on the wall is sky blue, and the sky blue is very warm and very cool. So I decided to complement it with the white color. As you can see, the curtain is white upon white. Both the inner curtain and the outer one is white. So after fixing the curtain and the curtain accessories, the next step was to fix the bed, the position that I wanted. So this is me trying to adjust the curtains so that the curtains would look beautiful. I love beautiful things, as you guys know. So after fixing the curtain, I'm making sure that everything is in its right proportion and right position. So the next thing I did was to clean the bed. Like, I needed to clean the bed, clean off the dust, and make the bed look the way it's supposed to look. So after dusting the bed and making sure the bed is looking neat, clean, and the way it's supposed to look, the next stage was for me to fix the pillow, like put the pillows in its case. Then after fixing the pillows in their cases, the next thing I did was to was to dress the bed, put on my white bedspread. Like I told you guys, I really love white a whole lot. I love white so much. So this is me fixing the bed, fixing the bedspread, and adjusting it and making sure that the bed is looking the way it's supposed to look. So after fixing the bed, the next thing was for me to place the pillows in its proper places. After that, I used my throw pillows to decorate the bed, because my throw pillows has the same color as the color of the wall, that is sky blue I told you about earlier. So after fixing it, then the next step was for me to fix the duvet, my white duvet. Oh my goodness, I love white a whole lot. So this is me fixing my duvet, and after fixing the duvet, then I have to do some little adjustments to make sure that the bed is looking the way it's supposed to look. Then after that, voila, my room is set. God, I so much love this look. The warm and the ambient look that the room is giving is, man, it's really giving me some, I cannot even explain. So this is the final look of the room. This is the makeover. This is what I can achieve at this moment. So this is my bulb. I have this warm yellow and white and blue bulb. So this is how the room look in the night. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys.